If you're tired of being added to random Telegram groups by people you don't know, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to stop people from adding you to Telegram groups on desktop, step by step, in just a couple of minutes. This is a super useful privacy setting if you want to keep your Telegram experience clean, avoid spam, and make sure only the right people can invite you to groups. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the Telegram desktop app on your computer. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to protect. Once Telegram is open, look to the top left corner of the screen and click the three horizontal lines. That opens the main menu. From there, click on Settings. This is where Telegram keeps all of your account and privacy controls. In the Settings menu, choose Privacy and Security. This section lets you control who can see your information and who can contact or add you in different ways. Now look under the privacy area and find the option for invites. Click on invites to open the group invite settings. This is the setting that controls who is allowed to add you into groups or invite you. To stop random people from adding you, select nobody. This means no one can add you directly, which gives you the highest level of control over your group privacy. After selecting nobody, click save to apply the change. Once you save it, Telegram will update your privacy setting right away, and that's it. You've successfully stopped people from adding you in random Telegram groups on Telegram desktop. This is one of the easiest ways to reduce spam and keep your account more private. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tutorials, privacy tips, and app guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.